Hey folks, we're live tonight north of Edinburgh, really on the grounds of the Edinburgh Airport out here, where things are really still pretty dry despite the rain that we got a couple of nights ago, Sunday night and early Monday. Most places out in this area picking up roughly a half an inch of rain, but as we showed you earlier, this field is definitely more brown than green, and that's the case as far as we can see out here. And so today, when the criteria got up to low humidity and high winds, then that red flag warning was issued, fire weather warning, basically indicating that if something starts, it's going to keep going. So hot and dry conditions. What's it take for a red flag warning? Well, let's take a look at the criteria that we have to see. And what we saw today was humidity was below 15% and the wind speed was over 15 miles per hour. In fact, humidity out here at one point today was down around 5 or 6%. Dew points down 10, 11, 12, something like that. So really dry air in place. That was what we reached today, the 15-15. Now, other days, if you got a little more humidity but a little stronger winds, you can still get a red flag warning when humidity is a little higher, but the winds are stronger. But today it was the 15-15 that we met, and that's what gave us that red flag warning today. Now, if we take a look at wind speeds right now, they've come down on this end of the valley, but they're still up along the coast. You still see 10 to 15 mile an hour winds in the eastern part of the valley, but now we're down to 7 to 9. That 7 you see out in northern Hidalgo County, that's right where we're standing. I can see the instruments from where we are right here, so about 7 miles per hour. And it's going to cool off quickly because the air is so dry. Look at the humidity right now, and even out here where we are, it's at 9%. And even you get to Port Isabel, where it's usually more humid, it's only 14%. So the air super dry. And again, you can tell that once that sun sets tonight in the next few minutes, temperatures are going to go down really pretty quickly. Now, let's see what FutureTech says about the humidity, because it suggests that we're going to see it start to go up. Overnight, it always goes up. By tomorrow morning, you're in the 40% range. But typically in the morning, humidity is 90 to 100%. So still a dry start to your day tomorrow. And then as the day goes on, temperatures warm up, dew point stays about the same. So that means the humidity levels drop, and you're looking at 12, 13% in the upper valley. At the coast, it's up a lot higher, about 57% at Port Isabel, South Padre Island, but still really a pretty dry day across the region. Now let's look at temperatures and see where we stand. At this hour, it's still pretty warm. I mean, a lot of the valley went over 90 this afternoon. It's 85 where we are here in Edinburgh right now, 80 in Weslaco, 86 in Port Isabel, and Rio Grande City checks in at 91 degrees. So temperatures, FutureTech, here's what they say. Tonight, it gets cool. Readings drop down into the 50s across the valley, and that's where we stand early tomorrow morning. And then by afternoon, we warm up again with readings climbing back up into the 80s and even low 90s in many areas, so another very warm day tomorrow. Let's go forward to Thursday. We start cool again, temperatures in the low 60s, some places perhaps in the upper 50s, and then Thursday, it really gets hot. I think Thursday afternoon, look at Rio Grande City, 95, rest of the valley, upper 80s. I think a lot of places will touch 90 on Thursday. It will be a very warm day. So high temperatures the next 3 days. Take a peek. The norm is 76, and we're going 89, 93, and 90. So way above average for this time of year. That 93 on Thursday, a full 17 degrees above normal. That is a very warm day for the month of February. Let's look at the cloud cover on FutureTech now and see what it has for us. You'll notice there isn't much. This sky tonight is about as blue as it can be. The air is just super, super dry. Low humidity tonight, low humidity tomorrow. Just a gorgeous day. You go into tomorrow night and into Thursday, we still see sunshine, but maybe patchy clouds begin to show up, but not much, and temperatures get quite warm on Thursday. By Friday, maybe again patchy clouds, but for the most part, another dry day across the region, so we don't really see much changing all the way into Friday, except temperatures staying very warm. Cool front pushing away, that's what brought this drier air in. We needed the upper level system to kind of get in sync with it, and that pushed the dry air in overnight, and this beautiful day we see today and tomorrow looks gorgeous statewide as well. Warm temperatures, of course, as we mentioned. Another front on the map making its way across Texas as we head into the end of the week. That front should push through the region probably Friday night into Saturday. With that, we cool it off just a little, but slightly the key word there, just a little bit cooler by the time we get to Saturday and Sunday. Temperatures even then still upper 70s and probably low 80s. If you're headed to the coast, here's what's going on. It'll start cool but warm up pretty quickly. In the morning, about 72 degrees to start the day. Northerly winds. By afternoon, readings stay in the 70s. They don't go much of anywhere. Rip current risk is low, but the UV is very high. Surf temperatures back up to 71 degrees. There are your evening temperatures. Winds by the end of the day back around to the southeast. There are the tides, the seas, the bay, a light chop, and the bay temperature at 71 right now. So for tonight across the area, we see temperatures falling into the mid-50s, clear skies, low humidity, a gorgeous night across the valley. And then tomorrow, after a pleasantly cool start, when you get up, temperatures in the 50s early, we'll top out around 89 tomorrow afternoon. Mostly sunny skies and low humidity. So here we go, the next 7 days. Temperatures stay well above average, even behind that front as we head into the weekend. You're looking at 84 on Saturday, 82 on Sunday. We bounce back into the 90s by early next week, so really things look pretty pleasant across the region. We don't see much chance of rain anytime soon whatsoever. Sun just now beginning to set in the western sky, and it's a beautiful sunset. Again, the sky is about as blue and clear as it can be. The whole atmosphere dry all the way up, no clouds. Heard a jet go over earlier, couldn't see a contrail. Not enough moisture up there for even that. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast live north of Edinburgh. Tim Smith, Channel 5 News at 6.